Hey everyone, welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple inboxes to a user in Yak Chat. Let's dive right in. First, open the admin portal. You'll need admin privileges for this. You can add users to an inbox in two ways, by editing the inbox itself or by editing the user profile. Let's start by editing an inbox. Go to the Inbox tab. Select the inbox you want to modify and click Edit Inbox. If it's a personal inbox, you can only add one user, but if it's a shared inbox, you can add multiple users. To add users, either select them from the list or click the plus button to add them manually. Once you've added the users, hit Save and you're done. You can also add users by editing their profiles. Go to the Users tab. Select the user you want to edit and click Edit User. From there, you can assign them to a personal or shared inbox. Save your changes and you're all set. Now let's take a look at how this works in the Yak Chat app. When a user is assigned to multiple inboxes, they can switch between them using the drop-down menu at the top. You can also set a default inbox that opens automatically when you start the app and is the default inbox when sending a message. To set this up, click on your user avatar or name in the drop-down menu at the top. This opens the Settings menu. Now go to the Chat tab and select your preferred default inbox. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more Yak Chat tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.